All right, it's another cloudy day in Hanoi. I don't have any real plans. I'm just gonna walk the streets and explore this wild city. Join me on an adventure in Vietnam. Hello, what is this? The dragon. What for? It's a festival?
Festival là gì anh?
You speak English?
Festival lễ hội. Yes. Yeah.
It's a party?
Là gì anh?
A party?
Anh nói chuyện với ông này đi.
Anh dịch gì anh?
You speak English?
Chút chút. Little.
What is this? What's happening?
Today I recognize festival.
Festival. Okay. It's a festival. These guys must be the dragon dancers. They're gonna lift these up on poles, on these bamboo poles, and they carry the dragon around and make it alive. It's pandemonium here today. If you guys were curious, Thailand has lifted all the restrictions. You don't need the vaccine to enter the country again. It only took them one day to drop the vaccine mandate again. I guess there was a lot of public pressure, but we all know it was my video. It was my video that changed their minds. Yes. I was actually here in Hanoi 9 years ago, and there weren't so many cars. The government has put a tax on vehicles apparently because they want less cars on the street. They want people to use motorcycles more often because the streets just aren't big enough and it's already congested enough as it is. What is this flower branch? I see a lot of women carrying these branches. Hello. What is this? What is this? One? Ah, it's good. Okay. I need to learn Vietnamese. Look at all this meat. Hello. Is this pork? It's hello. It's pork? Pig? Huh? Bát tuối? Look at this stuff. Yeah, we've got some pork here. It looks like some chunks of ham. Nice and cold. Here you can get a whole chicken. A whole chicken, shrink wrapped. Oh, this is the stuff that I put in the banh mi. Delicious. Wow.
Ăn đi. Bao nhiêu?
What is that? That must be pork skin. Let me know in the comments what this is. It looks like they're working with bamboo here. They're probably selling this bamboo to different shops for construction purposes. And let's go see if this guy speaks some English. I'm gonna ask him about these pipes. So these are pipes that they use to smoke tobacco. And you'll see them all over Vietnam. They put it in here and they just huff it like a bong. There's some really beautiful pipes. Sorry, let me know in the comments what the Vietnamese name is for these pipes. I'm sure they're not called pipes. What is this bamboo? Check out these trees, guys. Growing in the middle of the old quarter. I'm just gonna get out of the old town and go into a different part of the city. where it's not quite so crazy, and maybe go see some cultural stuff. Look at these hardworking guys. That is epic. Well, it looks like I found the Imperial Citadel. It's a tourist attraction, something historical. Let's go take a look. Can you say subscribe to Tony's Travels? Maybe not. Sing chào. Hello.
Hello. Ohayo gozaimasu.
I like Vietnam.
Yes. Thank you. Thank you.
Boy, I would definitely have no problem finding a Vietnamese girlfriend here, except none of them speak English. Such a drag. Because they're so nice and pretty. I'm on the property here of Ho Chi Minh's final resting place. Well, it's not really his final resting place because last time I was here, he was on tour in Russia, of all places. I think he's home now, but the museum is closed, so I'm just gonna wait a bit and hang out here in this area for Buddhism until it's open. Unfortunately, this is where Ho Chi Minh lives, but they're closed. They're closed until tomorrow, this man informed me. So, again, I missed Ho Chi Minh. I'll have to come back tomorrow to see him. Yeah. I decided to keep walking. I'm in a neighborhood now I've never been in before, and I found the largest Buddha on the street for sure. Though apparently this isn't Buddha. This is like Buddha's best friend or something. So here everybody, they just kind of litter on the ground and then people come by and clean it right off the street. I always wondered why people are always throwing their garbage on the ground here. They're selling these branches, which I assume are to beautify your home, and these are mandarins. And over here we have all kinds of cereal. Sing chao. I'm making a... Whoa, little fishes. This guy's showing me what he's got. You smell it. Oh, it smells wonderful. It smells so good. How much is this? Oh, it smells just fresh. Delicious. Wow. Okay, bye-bye.
Bye-bye.
What do? You eat it? Just for smelling. Oh. Oh, you just carry it like this, and it brings you good luck and keeps the ghosts away. I really don't know. Oh, you rub it on your body. What is this? Right in the middle of the city. I wouldn't want to go swimming here by any means. but it sure looks cool, doesn't it? Xin chào. Hi, look. These are snails, so they must be getting the snails out of this lake, and maybe they're very delicious. The Americans launched a massive campaign, and they wanted to bomb the hell out of the Vietnamese, but the Vietnamese shot down a lot of B-52 bombers, and yeah, one of them landed right here in the lake behind me. This guy over here just pulled a big fish out of the lake. Let's go see if we can take a look. This is a different lake, by the way. Hue Tiap is over there. This is a different lake. Maybe it was all one lake at a certain point before the city grew up around it. Let's see if we can see this fish. Oh, man. Hello. Hello. Can I see? Okay. Oh. That came. Wait. Look at that thing. That's okay. That came out of here.
Hết tay rồi. Mất 10.000 đánh vậy.
15 rồi không ạ? 15 rồi.
15.000 đã.
Tết 20.
What a monster. Good job. Good work.
This is normal.
This is the pipe that you're smoking, huh? This one.
Smoking.
Me?
Yeah.
Okay, I'm gonna try the pipe, the smoke.
Nhiều đi anh.
Okay.
Ngồi say đấy, ngồi đây.
Oh, he's giving me a chair.
Đấy, ngồi đây.
Okay. Let's try this. This is what's this called? Name.
Thuốc lào.
Thuốc Lào.
Tiền lào.
Thuốc Lào, Việt Nam.
Thuốc Lào, Vietnam. I'm gonna die.
Trọt nghiện mất rồi. Cigar
Oh
Việt
man,
Nam.
delicious.
Very good.
Oh, it gives you a head rush. It's like taking a bong hit of tobacco. I'm just totally dizzy.
Say rồi. Đây.
Come on, thank you. Oh man, that's so good. Vietnam.
Cigar Việt Nam.
Come on. Oh, they gave me some of the tea. This is the Vietnamese tea, tala, iced tea.
Wow.
Oh, it's really nice. No sugar. Wow. These guys are funny. Thank you for your hospitality. Yeah, it's no sugar. It's just, I think it's jasmine. It's really refreshing.
Wow.
The fish here, why are they so big? It's such a small lake.
Because they do the service here. Every week they put the fish here, and you want to fish, you have to buy the ticket.
Oh, you buy a ticket to fish
Yes.
in the lake. How much is a ticket to fish?
It's 500,000 for 5 hours.
For 5 hours.
Yes.
Oh, that's a lot.
Yeah, but how many fish you can catch is on your.
Wow. So how many fish are in this lake?
I don't know. It's all around here 40 to 50.
40 to 50 fish. And what is this?
This is heavier than
Oh,
whiskey.
it's oh
Very
wow,
strong.
this is some red. Okay, cheers.
It's a Vietnamese wine.
What do you say? Cheers. For Vietnamese, they say cheers.
Nước cốc,
Nước cốc.
cạn ly.
Cạn ly. What? Oh, oh man, good. It's like a plum. It tastes like a plum wine. It's very strong. It's like whiskey, but a little bit sour. Sour, like a whiskey. Oh. Nice people here in Vietnam. Oh geez. You make this yourself? He makes this, huh?
Yeah. We make it.
So you're a group of friends and you pay the ticket to come fishing, and now you caught the biggest fish?
Yes. Every day I fish here.
And how much would you pay to buy this fish in the store?
No. The store, I made a store for my own.
And you sell that fish?
Yeah.
Oh wow. How much can you sell that fish for?
Normally it's one fish like that. I sell like 500,000.
500,000, and it's 500,000 to fish, and you sell it for 500,000. So you made the whole money back.
Mean I in my ticket I hook more than 2 fish. I got profit.
You got 4 fish.
No. I hook the fish. Mean I got 4 fish or 2 fish, more than 1 fish. I got 4 fish.
So it's actually profitable. It's like a business for you.
Normally it's 1.
Normally 1, but today 4. Good luck.
Bọn anh em làm nâng cốc. Nào, nâng cốc đưa cho nó miếng nữa.
So this is some Vietnamese.
Vitamin go.
Is fish or pork?
Vitamin go.
I think
Let's try this.
this is dog
Oh,
meat.
okay. Dog meat.
Dog meat.
It's dog meat.
Chinese
Woof, woof.
before?
No.
Good.
Okay.
Oh, this is very nice.
I'm eating a dog
Yes.
for the first time. It's very chewy. It's like
Yeah.
it's like a sponge. It's almost like a pork. Okay, it's my first time eating a dog and drinking whiskey. I can't say it's delicious, but it's definitely chewy. Oh,
Vitamin go.
thank you. Oh man. These nice guys, they got me drunk. They gave me some dog meat and told me some cultural things.
And he got the sail.
And he's giving me a ride to the real B-52 lake.
Vietnamese sail.
Let's go. He's gonna give me a ride. Goodbye. Happy New Year. Let's go. Wow. So we're going to the lake where the B-52 crashed in the 70s, I think, during the Vietnam War. Oh, here it is.
Okay.
Whoa.
Đây.
Oh my God. Come
Okay.
on. Look at this.
I was.
So,
Yeah,
okay.
yeah, you see.
Thank you, man.
You see, thank you.
I see it. Okay, here it is. The actual wreckage of the B-52. See? All around the world, there are friendly people willing to get you drunk on homemade plum wine and take you to B-52 crash sites after eating dog. Well, I don't think I can top that. That was a real adventure. And that's the end of my video for today. Until next time.